back. So we had mentioned, talked about the introduction. It is done. So when it comes to format of writing, for example, essay writing, so there's a quite good way. I can call it the best way of answering essay. Not like you have been doing it, mentioning the ICT tool, you say it is used for, like that. So that one should be phrased out. We should use the best way, the good terms within each of the response. Remember, we provide 6 responses to acquire 5 scores maximum. Below 6 responses may attain below scores. So when you are starting the first point after the introduction in the form of essay writing, you can use the following terms in the first response. For example, to begin with, first and foremost, first of all, or firstly. Then you continue with your other sentences. For instance, under this scenario, you can start and say, to begin with, a computer set can be used by the secretary to typeset the activities of integration for both learners, students and teachers, storing of typeset exams, so as you have heard about that point, in other words, the best way would be to begin with a secretary, to begin with a computer set can be used by the secretary, then you put a full stop, then you continue. As you are continuing, you start with how this ICT tool can help the secretary to accomplish the given task. For example, to begin with, a computer set can be used by the secretary, then you put a full stop, you continue. This will help the secretary to typeset the examinations or the activities of integration after describing the identified ICT tool. For instance, when you want to add on the maintenance way or measure to that very ICT tool, you can continue in the last paragraph and say, this ICT tool can be maintained by, specifically you mention that maintenance measure that is referable to the mentioned ICT tool. And to avoid repetition, you should not say